Looking for a reliable power solution for your Zebra GC420 series label printer? This best CH AC/DC adapter might be just what you need. Specifically designed for the Zebra Technologies GC420, GC420T, and GC420D models, including versions like GC420-100510-000, GC420-200511-000, and GC420-200510-000. This adapter ensures your desktop direct thermal label printer stays powered up and ready to go. One of the key features is its worldwide input voltage compatibility, ranging from 100 to 240 VC at 50-60 Hz. This makes it suitable for use in various countries without needing a separate voltage converter. The adapter also incorporates essential protection mechanisms: OVP, over voltage protection, OCP, over current protection, and SCP, short circuit protection. These features safeguard your printer from potential damage due to voltage spikes, excessive current, or short circuits, providing peace of mind during operation. Each unit undergoes testing to ensure it's in excellent working condition before it reaches the customer. Best CH emphasizes the importance of verifying that your printer model matches the listing before making a purchase, as they cannot be held responsible for incorrect orders. This attention to detail helps ensure compatibility and customer satisfaction. The adapter is designed for printers and other compatible devices, featuring short-circuit protection as a special feature. It operates on an input voltage of 240 volts and provides an output voltage of 240 volts. The power source is corded electric, and it operates at a frequency of 60 Hz. The main power connector is a 2-pin type. If you need a replacement or a spare adapter for your Zebra GC420 printer, the best CH AC/DC adapter is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.